how to use this VPN application, or should I say web or browser VPN application like a pro. Stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and it's pretty much a simple browser, but you get the VPN option with it. So at the top here, top right hand side, you may see a VPN sign. You just tap on the VPN option there. We'll ask for connection request and it will connect or give you the option to select servers that you can connect to. So as you can see here, quite a lot of servers which you can choose from, and I also have the option to remove ads. But you can select any one of these servers here. I'm going to go ahead with the United States server, and once I'm connected to that server, I'm pretty much good to go. So as you can see here, I'm connected. So you can pretty much browse the internet, not having to worry about you connected to a VPN connection or anything like that. So the browser is built to have as a built-in VPN which you can connect to. Also, you can select your servers and you can change location very, very easily. So very easy application to use, and if I tap on this here, pretty much shows you the subscription that they offer. They have a monthly subscription here, and also here subscription. You can pretty much see the prices and what to be getting. So very, very good VPN application. Should I say browser VPN application? And if I've missed anything, similar features as how you use any browser. So nothing more. So that's pretty much it. If I missed anything, comment below. See you in the next one.